You need to hear this if you love marine mysteries. Ever wondered what makes narwhals so magical? These long spiraled tusks are not just for show, they're filled with nerves that help narwhals sense changes in their environment. Imagine having a tooth that could feel the weather. But hold on, Dasher. Narwhals live in some of the coldest waters on Earth. How do they survive? Their tusks can detect subtle shifts in water temperature and salinity, making them the ultimate survival tool. You could say they have a sixth tooth set. And here's another fun fact. Narwhals use their tusks to impress the ladies. Talk about a toothpick with style. Now here's a quiz for you. Do you know what the name of a baby narwhal is, Tom? Drop your answer in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep smiling. Because who knows, maybe one day you'll grow a tusk of your own.